Hi, my name is José. I'm from EDIGMA, and we are here to show. I'm gonna show in first hand our new OQTOPUS wall, our new product. This is an interactive video wall that allows you to have multiple users at the same time with touch technology. We can use and we can drag the information across the several screens. Okay. We can open and we can have multiple users at the same time. Here we have another new product, which is our OQTOPUS interactive table. This is a table with object recognition technology, which allows us to use an object on the screen and that identifies the product that we are trying to show. We can use simultaneously until up to 6 different products. So for more information, please visit us on our website on www.edigma.com. Thank you.